rocking the polo.
What's going on, everybody?
What is it, the U.S. polo? So she, how is that? That's good. That's right. Let me check your tag. Hold up. Oh, he's legit. He's legit. Alright, look it out. Alright. I'm just playing. Y'all don't be scared. That was good there. So, my friend, thank you for coming out here at 5 nightclub. We're in Baltimore. Are you from Baltimore?
Definitely.
Oh,
All
okay.
nights, all day.
Alright. Oh, okay. Some of y'all. Okay. You know, with Live Hub Brother Composition Team, we're always looking to promote the local artists. So we get ready anytime people come out who are local and do a good job. Hope you to give me a good show. I really don't want to talk about you on Twitter later. I don't want to talk about you on Twitter later. Are you on Twitter?
J Brooks all day.
J Brooks all day. Wait, at J Brooks all day.
At J Brooks.
Because, y'all, let me know. If he doesn't do well, I'm going to blast him out on Twitter. And y'all follow me. We'll keep retweeting till he realizes he can put it in the
I'm ready to go right now. Let's get this right now. Let's party right now.
Just kidding.
Let's get it in.
Let's get it in.
Let's get it in.
What songs you been doing?
With my man Mike Ruckazz. Right now we about to perform Shiesty. And my new single, Everybody Loving You, catch it on iTunes, y'all.
Wait, time out. You gotta pay?
Catch it on iTunes. You can get the sample on Doug's Spot Records.
Okay, here we go. Let me
Can't do that.
Let me sample it first.
And you can check my videos out on YouTube, J Brooks 77 at YouTube.
Wait, hold up. Wait, I need homemade YouTube.
Oh, man.
You got like a real
record
okay.
video.
Okay, I'm just asking.
Doug's Spot in the house all day.
All day, every day. That's not
I'm also being played in like 300 internet outlets all over the world.
Just plug a little. You want to give a plug real quick? Where can we find you? 300 outlets all over the world.
Hey, guys, that's my plug-in.
Anybody want to shout out before you perform?
I want to shout out to everybody right now in 5 Seasons.
5 Seasons Nightclub, Baltimore.
What it is.
Let's get it in. He's ready.
That's right. Okay. That's the shit for iTunes like that. This is the thing you got right now. iTunes, Amazon. Just give me another sample right now before I get animated. Yeah, you ready, man? I'm ready. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Turn me up, baby. Love us up, baby. Yeah. Okay, I'm loving that. Loving that. Woo. Let's go. This joint is all out here that you can catch. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Mr. Lil Wayne, why not? Change up on your brain just to let you feel my pain. I'ma be something you gotta be the same. Yeah, I bought that plane. Red dot straight aim. When you land in the train, late night in the rain. I'm back up in the club and mommy got it poppin'. Shorty, you know how it's favorite. Get the body. Shorty gotta give you some. Come on. Everybody love me. Yeah. Only one fuck me. Three. Niggas gonna run me out the game cause I'm the let's go. Crazy dream looking. Bitch, it won't touch me. Keep running track. I'ma get this money. Everybody love me. Only one fuck me. Niggas wanna run me out the game cause I'm the come on. Keep looking. Bitch, it won't touch me. I'ma get this money. Everybody love me. I'm back up on my swag. Money in the bank, throw it in the bag. Put me on that tag, or either Facebook. Follow me on Twitter, cause my life is like a book. That's right, I'm down on the hook. I'm out of control. Party like a rock star, party like a roll.
Sitting low, trying